I quit smoking after 25 years, I honestly thought everything would get better. Like energy, focus, health, even my mindset. I thought quitting would be the turning point, like the reset. The one thing that fixed everything. But that's not what happened. What actually happened was slower, quieter, and a lot more complicated than I expected. Here's what I know now. The expectation gap. When I was smoking, I thought the problem was obvious. Health, money, energy. So I assumed once I stopped, those patterns would just fix themselves or go away completely. But what I didn't understand was this. Smoking wasn't just a habit, it was a structure. It organized my day, it regulated my stress, and it filled those gaps. So when I removed it, I didn't just lose like something harmful, I lost something that was holding everything together. And that's where the real work started. What actually changed first? The first thing that changed was my health. It was awareness. I started noticing things that I used to ignore. Ritual gaps in my day, stress responses, autopilot behaviors, identity loops. And that awareness was uncomfortable at first. And that's where most people either rebuild or cigarettes creep back in. The real shift, systems, not habits. What started making a difference wasn't willpower, it was structure. Rebuilding my day, like that includes my morning routines, like the intentional transitions, and the tools that I started using to support my energy, focus, and recovery. This includes specific supplements and wellness products that I use daily by reinvesting a small portion of that quit money back into my future self. Like this is the foundation I built for my own second wind. If you want to see what I use and why, fill out the form in the description and we'll walk you through it personally. Hey, this stopped being about quitting a long time ago. It's now about rebuilding. The big realization. Here's the biggest thing I learned. Quitting smoking doesn't fix your life. It reveals your life. It exposes where your structure was weak, where your habits were automatic, where your stress had nowhere to go, where your identity was built on repetition. That's not comfortable, not at all, but it's honest. And once you understand that, you stop expecting instant change and begin building instead. What life looks like now. Now, my life looks different. Not because everything got easier. It's because I stopped relying on automatic systems that weren't serving me. I replaced reaction with structure. I replaced gaps with intention. And I replaced old coping patterns with a system I can actually live with long term. And that consistency is what creates real change. Not intensity, not motivation, just showing up. The core truth. If I had to simplify everything I learned from quitting smoking into one thing, it would be this. You don't fix your life by removing something. You fix it by rebuilding what was built around it. And that applies to more than smoking. Habits, stress, health, identity, like all of it. That's what this whole journey really taught me. If you're somewhere in the process right now, maybe you've quit, maybe you're trying, maybe you're still in the middle of it. Just know this isn't the end of anything. It's the beginning of rebuilding. And that's what I'm going to keep documenting here on this channel. Stay on your path. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.